Hello, today I'm going to be showing where the ambient light sensors are located on the MacBook Pro. The previous 2008 version, or they did have this in 2008, but this is the model before the new one. So right here you have your speakers, and if you put your hands on both of them, sometimes the screen will dampen, but there's a lot of light right here, so let's turn the slide off. See how the light comes on the keyboard? So if the screen just got darker, lighter. So it's not on this one, it has to be on this one. Actually no, it's located on this one right here. So we turn the light on. The light turned off on the keyboard because there is a lot of light, so if we cover our hand on it, see, it knows there's a lot of light. So that's it for where the ambient light sensor is located in the MacBook Pro. Bye.